Yeah. So thank you so much for choosing me as your makeup artist for today. And first of all, many congratulations for your coming movie Sufna.
Thank
and
you,
your
Parry.
song is already out today, and it's really wonderful.
Thank you, Parry. It's my pleasure coming to you, and I'm just waiting you to get me dolled up so as we can proceed
So
forward.
stay tuned, guys.
So first of all, I'm taking this brown shade from palette Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the name of the palette is Sultry. I'm taking this color for transition. Here I'm dabbing this gray color slate from same palette. Here I'm filling the lash line with smudging, and I'm taking brown color from the same palette Anastasia Beverly Hills. Here I'm using a gel liner from Inglot, and the shade is 77. To soften up the liner, I'm using dark brown shade on the edges of the liner. For the preparation of the skin, I'm using Studio Moisture Cream from MAC, and now I'm using Fenty Beauty Foundation Pro Filter, and the shade is 150. Here I'm doing a lot of blending because blending is the key of a very glowy and natural makeup. And here I'm using concealer. Concealer is also from Fenty Beauty, and the shade is 210. To set the concealer, I have used powder from Huda Beauty. The shade was Pound Cake. And now I'm doing blending to warm up her cuts in a very natural way. So that's why I'm not doing sculpted contouring. I'm doing just powdered contouring. And blusher I have used from MAC, and the shade is New Romance. Lip shade I'm using from Huda Beauty, and the shade is Crush. And it's time for highlighter, and here I have used highlighter from Hourglass, and the shade is Radiant Light. And just blending is enough for the under eyes. Here again I'm using highlighter on the cheeks, bridge of the nose, and keeping her eyebrows very natural. Her hairstyle is also very simple, just twisting and little flowers. That's it. So this look is one of my favorite look, and it's very special for me because in this look she has done her shoot, her first TikTok sound of song Sufna in my studio only. So it's very special for me. How did you like the look? Just let me know in comments. And this beautiful outfit is from Alien Kim. And thank you so much once again, Tanya, to choose me as your makeup artist. Thank you. To watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like and share my videos. Thank you so much.